Selling feels awkward. It's the most awkward thing in the world to try to persuade somebody to buy a product or commit to your service, because you've got to understand that you have to cross a barrier. And if we stop calling it sales and we start calling it building rapport with somebody, it makes it more natural, because it's the most natural thing in the world in order to build rapport with somebody and connect with them organically. When you have a friend, no matter if it's your colleague or if it's your wife, you understand each other, you have a relationship with each other, and you meet each other's needs. Instead of selling people all the time, just pushing products, pushing services, build rapport with those people. Every day you see ads that pop up, and you click into an ad, and then the bounce rate is super high because all of a sudden they're flooded with all these different options. The problem is the client never gets a chance to understand who you are and start building a relationship, which is why I built a program that you can embed in your banner, and it's story bubbles. You get to upload short form content on You get to upload short form content on your landing page in order to build rapport with that person. People are conditioned to click the bubbles, watch the videos, and social media has done that for us. Now we get to put those on our page. You introduce yourself, you introduce your team, you introduce your new product, you slap a testimony on there, and you get to promote somebody else's business while you're at it. Building rapport is key in 2026. If you're not building rapport with people, they don't trust you, they are not going to be a client of yours. Build rapport right now. Head over to bubbles.myuniquemedia.com to sign up right this second. Cheers.